Hello, Vibha. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also doing great, and I'm really so excited that we met today. And
Yes.
yeah, we are meeting very first time. So could you please introduce yourself first?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Vibha. I live in Faridabad. It's in Haryana. I have two daughters. I have twin daughters. They are 12 years old. So now they are mature enough to look after themselves. So now I think it's right time to give wings to my passion, and my passion is to just be fluent in this language and grasp all kind of grammar, vocabulary, idioms, phrases. That's why I have opened my YouTube channel also. So I'm
Okay.
improving a lot to my channel.
Yeah, it's really you are talking in such a enthusiastic and confident manner. So
Yes.
should I introduce myself too?
Yes, ma'am. I know about you, but I would love to hear it again.
Okay. So as you know, my name is Smriti Sarup. I live in Gurugram. I hold a bachelor's degree in arts. I'm happily married and blessed with two wonderful children. I'm a homemaker as well as a YouTuber running two channels. The first is
Okay.
completely dedicated to Sahaj Yoga meditation. Its name
Okay.
Nirmal Vidya Sahaj Yoga Meditation Channel. And the second
Okay.
is Pure Knowledge for English Beginners, aimed at English beginners. As far as my
Okay.
hobbies go, I love working on both of my channels. So this is me
Okay.
in a nutshell.
Oh,
Thanks for listening.
okay. Yes, ma'am. I just want to know that how long have you been means into this communication session? How long has it been?
I created my channel on 10th of November 2023, and after that only I started my conversational journey too. Earlier
Okay.
I subscribed ACE Fluency, and then
Okay.
at that time I was practicing on audio call. So
Okay.
yeah, so on that day I
Okay.
created my channel and I started my journey of conversational videos. So
Okay.
I started uploading.
Okay.
Because just like
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
I am also very passionate about this language. And why we are passionate? Because we all know its importance. It's
Yes.
a universal language, and we all it's become a necessity. So that's why
Yes.
we all are so passionate about this language.
Yes, and moreover, if you have young children, my children are 12 years old. I think it has also a good impact on our children if your communication is good.
Yeah.
Children also pick up a lot of things from you.
Yeah, definitely. And
Yes,
later, when you attend their parents teacher meeting and other things, then it will be a very good impact on
yes,
teachers. And you
yes,
also feel very confident when you were able to communicate during these
yes.
kinds of meetings. So,
Yes, yes,
yeah,
definitely, ma'am.
yeah.
Okay, I'm more excited to know more about you. Like before running this channel, what were you into? Were you purely into meditation center, as you told that you are running that one also?
Yeah. I am a homemaker, as I told you, and my family and I practitioners of Sahaj Yoga meditation, and we have been
Okay,
practicing Sahaj Yoga since 2003, and we benefited tremendously. So that's why I wanted to share about this meditation with everyone. And I
okay,
wanted to tell that it is very easy and anyone can learn this, and it is completely, absolutely free for all.
okay,
And it is
okay,
available on every online platform like Google, Instagram, YouTube. So
okay,
that's why I wanted to create awareness about this
okay.
meditation, because
Yes,
by practicing Sahaj Yoga, anyone can find that life changing ideas, and they can realize different kind of physical, mental, emotional benefits. So that's
Yes, yes, definitely.
I wanted to share
Definitely.
this. Yeah.
Yes. I can see that peace and content on your face.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you so
no,
much.
yes, and you hit the nail on the head by saying that you are into meditation, because I'm also very much keen to go into
Wow.
meditation.
Wow.
Yes, it's
It's
my
very
long
good.
standing
Yeah.
desire to go into it. Every time I make some kind of excuses. No, I'll start from tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I don't know why is it happening. My day is not coming. I just want to go into it. There are so many things which I want to improve in myself. So please guide me little how to start, how to means concentrate on it while doing it. Give me little tips.
Yeah, definitely. I will, first of all, I will give a little bit of introduction of Sahaj Yoga meditation. And if you are interested, I will send link of my video to you so that you can
Yeah.
learn very easily. And it is
Okay.
completely free. So you no need to join any kind of course, and you no need to go anywhere to learn this. And Vibha, you no need to spend lots of your precious time like on focusing and just doing lots of pranayam and other thing. You have to just sit and spread your hand, and you can achieve your meditation then and there. So first of all, I will tell about Sahaj Yoga. So as the name suggests, we can understand Sahaj means easy, spontaneous, simple, but it has a deeper meaning too. The term Sahaja is originates from Sanskrit language, where Sah means with and Ja means born. And yoga means we all know union. So the essence of the term Sahaj Yoga is the spontaneous union with the all-pervading power that is born with all human beings. So this is the meaning of Sahaj Yoga. And everyone can learn this yoga very easily because it is not at all difficult. Shrimata Ji Nirmala Devi, who is the founder of Sahaj Yoga, she founded Sahaj Yoga in 1970. And more than 40 years, she traveled around the world and India and shared her knowledge. And she offered self-realization to everyone, regardless of their background. And her work
Okay.
touched and transformed countless lives. And
Okay.
there are lots of multiple centers are there, not only in India, in all around the world too. And not only metro cities or big cities, we can get to know about these centers. That is also completely free of cost. So in small cities or small town and villages also. And if
Okay.
somebody is interested, they can go there and learn offline also. And all the
Okay.
online programs are there, and anyone can very easily learn. And if
Okay.
anybody wants to know about the center, they can just write down on Google a nearby center of Sahaj Yoga. So they get to know about Sahaj Yoga. And I will
Okay.
tell a little bit of procedure so that you can get to know that how it is easy. You have to, tell this process self-realization. And in Hindi, we can say Atma Sakshatkar. When we get to know about our Atma, about ourself, that is called this process, that is the name of this process, self-realization. And
Yes. Yes.
we can learn very easily. I will send that link to you in just 10 minutes. You have to just
Okay.
do some kind of gestures with your hands, and you have to say some affirmations, and you can get that state. then you will get your inner silence or your thoughtlessness.
Yes,
Because
yes.
this state is achieved by the Kundalini energy, and
Yes.
we can very easily achieve that state by this special process.
Yes. It is something like, we have heard this so many times that whatever you want with whole heart, God
Mhm.
takes you over there. And
Yeah,
today is that time I was searching for it, but I was not reaching anywhere. Today,
yeah,
through you, I think definitely I'll reach there because it's been so long I was trying to do this. You can control your anger, your aggression, your restlessness, so many things through this.
yeah.
So
There are
definitely
multiple benefits.
I just want to know, ma'am, from you that what changes, though you have been, doing this for so long, for so many years, but what changes till now you have experienced in you? Means,
First of all,
are there any?
there are actually multiple lots of benefits, but
Yes.
I will tell about a little bit, means some benefits. Like you will get your inner peace, stress relief, mental clarity, and
Yes.
your means you will improve your physical health too by doing
Yes.
this
Yes.
meditation. You will get to know when you join and when you start meditating. I will share lots of knowledge about Sahaj Yoga, and you will get to know how you can improve your health by doing just
Okay.
meditation in the morning and evening, not more than 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to
Okay.
10 minutes is more than enough for your meditation, and
Okay.
you find your spiritual growth naturally. You will find
Okay.
your spiritual growth, and there are not rituals and exercise. You no need to do any kind of physical exercise. And
Okay.
if someone addicted with some kind of like there are lots of uh, different kinds of I mean to say, like alcoholism is there, and
Yes.
other things are there. So if someone meditate by Sahaj Yoga way, so they can find
Mhm.
freedom from any kind of addictions.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. These are very big addictions, ma'am. You take a single tea. Tea is
Mhm.
enough
Yeah.
to make your body addicted.
Yeah.
I was thinking for so many years that it does not suit me. I'll leave it someday. But that day was not coming. Every time I used to take pledge and I would break it myself because simple tea is very much addicted to your body. So one day I pledged that I'll not have it. And slowly and gradually, I just get rid of it.
Yeah.
So I think, meditation. So, ma'am, anything which you want to discuss that changed your thought or changed anything in you which you want to share it,
Yeah, I
which you were not.
changed completely because when I joined this, when I started meditation, so I was just, I think, 24 years old at that time. So I
Okay.
naturally I having lots of bad habits. I used to feel lots of aggression sometimes. There are lots of problems. I feel lots of stress in my life, but slowly and gradually, when I started I meditation, I never left this. I can't live without this meditation, and
Yes.
I find lots of change in me, not only inside me, my husband, my both kids. I have two kids. My daughter, she's married now and she works as a senior consultant. And my son, he is pursuing his economics honors. He is in third year. So they both meditate and they feel so peace in their life. Whenever they feel any kind of issues, they always discuss with me. And I always suggest some kind of treatment, because there are lots of treatments also. Treatments means
Yes.
some kind of we have to say some kind of affirmation, and we
Mhm.
have to say some kind of mantras. So these are we call it treatments. So it is also
Oh,
in Sahaj Yoga. So
okay, ma'am. Because in today's time, we have noticed that people are losing patience. They do not
yeah,
have patience.
so
They
true.
get aggressive. They get angry on tiny issues, which we need to
Yes,
improve in ourselves. This
yeah,
is the basic concept. That's why so many criminal cases, so many thefts you can see is
yeah.
increasing day by day. I think this is also one of the reason.
So true.
So that's why I'm very much interested into it, and I would definitely suggest others also. This should be
Mm,
the, like, we are doing our job, we are having food. This is also should be a necessary part of our daily routine.
mm,
We just make ourselves ready, clean from outside, but we must know our inner self also. How
yeah.
would we clean this? How will we come to know about ourselves? Through meditation only.
Through meditation only we
Yes.
can find this peace. And there are different kind of meditation actually, but we can't find our inner silence. And
Yes.
meditation means silencing yourself, silencing your thoughts. And if you are
Yes.
not able to find that thoughtlessness, so you are not in meditation. So
Yes.
if you
Yes.
are just keep thinking, so how can get that connection with the all pervading power? So
Yes. Yes.
that is we can learn only here in Sahaj Yoga.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think your children follow you always. Whatever
Yeah.
you give them examples, how do you act, they will almost always follow you. They do not understand by preaching or whatever we are, telling
Yeah.
them. They
Yeah.
always do whatever they are seeing in us.
Yes.
So every parent should be
So
a good example by going into this. There are so many problems in offices, in schools. So sometimes we become so much exhausted, aggressive, and we just take out on other family members, sometimes on children. So
mhm.
I think this is the best medium through which we can control ourselves, and we can good this thing we can pass this thing to our children also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Children is our future generation also of our country. So
Yeah.
I think this thing is very necessary.
Yeah.
I
I
think somewhere
totally
it
agree.
builds up our confidence also. Because
Yeah.
every time if we are panic, we are in aggressive mood, how will we handle things? How a child will handle things? Because children are so much prone to phone these days. They
Yes.
cannot live without. So there are so many things coming on the phone. So it impacts on children mind. If
Yes.
and we cannot hide or snatch phone from the children. They want it for a few minutes. It has become a part of their life now. We cannot
Yeah.
hide it totally. We can reduce the time, but if we think that we do not give, it is not possible.
Yes.
Because we are also using phone for our, even though it is for work, but definitely they see us doing
Yes.
work on phone. Then we cannot snatch it every time from them.
Can't.
So if
Yes.
we make a balance along with using this, if we are doing this thing also, I think we can balance it. So
Yeah.
I think this is a good thing to go into this.
Yeah. So true. And
Yes,
now I
yes.
want to know about your journey of English. When did you start and how did you start?
Yes.
Mm.
Actually, I started last year.
Okay.
Before,
Mm-hmm.
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, I was communicating with my children in this language only.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been long that I was because I had my children only through which I was communicating. Then
Mm-hmm.
one day while sitting, I just scrolling and I saw some conversational video. And from that video, I just thought that if I'm so much crazy about this language, so why not to start? Why not I start my YouTube channel? So 1 year before, I just started my YouTube channel, and where I post vocabulary words, idioms, phrases, and I'm improving a lot through those,
Yeah.
because in a way I'm learning those also. Even though I'm aware of it, but if you are making video, you come to know I'm using those words, phrases also now in my sentences. So
Mm-hmm.
in a way, I'm now connected to this language.
Yeah.
Earlier, I used to think, oh, I'll do this tomorrow, day after tomorrow. But when you are connected with something, you become committed that I have to post the video
Yeah.
every day or every alternate day. So I
Mm-hmm.
think my confidence has also improved so much through this.
Yeah.
And now I'm thinking to improve my fluency, because at many places I feel that I stuck, which I want to improve.
Yeah.
So definitely, yes, I'm talking to so many YouTubers these days, and I'm looking forward to improve my fluency through this only.
Yeah, it's really great because it is a lifelong process. We can't
Yes,
learn it in a fixed time. So
yes, yes,
gradually we'll learn everything.
yes,
And you
yes.
improved a
Consistency
lot
and practice.
in this
Mhm.
only 1 year span. So it's really great. You have to attend your kids also. You are doing all the household chores. You have to make your home, but
Yes,
at the same time you are improving, you are making videos, so there are
yes,
lots of
yes,
things on your plates, but you are managing all the things, so it's really
yes, yes, yes,
wonderful.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. And this is all because my craziness towards this language, that led me to do all this,
Yeah.
and in a way, my children are improving a lot.
Yeah.
Now they are also speaking fluently in class also. They also answer every time in this language. So I think it develops your confidence also
Yeah.
because
Mhm.
without English, it has become a major part in your life.
So true, so
I think
true.
it's good to learn this as much as you can.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
definitely. So, ma'am, I just want to know that what kind of are you posting only conversational videos or any kind of other videos?
These days, I am posting this only conversational videos because it is really easy. We no need to write down any. We need no need to write content, and then actually it's not our language. It is a foreign language. We have to practice it before making
Yes,
a solo video. So it takes
yes,
little bit extra time. So I just
yes,
thought that it is a easy way to share our thoughts, our feelings, and as well as we are enjoying also. This like we are
yes,
interacting with each other. So it
yes,
is
yes,
a type of entertainment also. So that's
yes,
why I have
yes,
chosen this. But
yes, yes.
you see, whenever I get time, I make some solo videos also because I
Okay.
have to run two channels. And
Yes,
so
yes,
that's why I thought this is very nice. I no need to
yes.
put extra time for that.
Yes, yes, definitely, ma'am. By talking to variety of people, we come to know their culture, their way
Yeah.
of living. So many things we come to know. So
So
it's good to deal with them.
yeah,
You are very much right. You get some kind of excitement in your life.
yes, yes, and every time we learn new vocabs. Like,
Yes,
if
yes,
we are talking now, if you use any new term, so I will when I add it, then I will hear it again, and then definitely I will grasp that.
yes, yes,
So this is
definitely.
very good way of learning. Otherwise, if we
Yes.
just jot down and then we try to speak that, sometimes we forget that vocab.
Mhm.
But if
Yes,
we listen that with somebody else is using that, so we just keep in our mind.
yes, yes, definitely. You are right.
Yeah,
This was also the reason I have means I am also thinking to start just to improve, just to gain new words and knowledge
yeah, yeah.
from different teachers I come across with.
Yeah, I think we have to say bye to each other, or
Okay, okay.
we have very less time now, I think. So it's really
Yes,
good. I You gave your precious time, and will definitely connect. I
I
enjoyed
definitely.
thoroughly.
Yes, likewise,
Will
ma'am. Thank you.
again.
Thank you very
Okay.
much, ma'am, for the
Bye.
session. Bye, ma'am.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.